Hi, my name is Douglas Ferguson. Today I'm going to be showing you guys the difference between Filmconvert and Filmconvert Nitrate in DaVinci Resolve. I was able to get a beta version from Filmconvert, and so I decided to play around with it to see the difference. And there's definitely a difference. Both grades were graded exactly the same. I will show you the original footage, the Filmconvert OG footage, and then you'll see the nitrate footage. And then I'll just talk about what I like in each one. So here's the original footage. This is a Kung Fu master by the name of Tak Wai Ying in New York City, and he's just going through some wooden dummy techniques. And I shot this with the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema camera and just one single light at 1250 ISO. And then here is the original Blackmagic footage, and I used the Cineon of the Blackmagic, which I've never done before. The profile, which I've never really liked the profiles in the original ones. They just look way too contrasty, as you can see. Everything is a bit just about almost crushed, not crushed, but just about there. And now here is the nitrate version. As you can see, it looks so much more like film. This actually looks like Super 16, which is what I put both of them in. And I was able to control the grain structure, which I really loved, and was able to add grain to mid-tone shadows, take it out of the shadows, and take it out of the highlights. And it just gives it that 16 millimeter look. And then also being able to control the Cineon log was one of the best. That alone makes it worth its money. So there it is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I kept it as close as possible, as quick as possible. And when Nitrate comes out for DaVinci Resolve, I will be getting me a copy for sure. That's worth a purchase. Thanks.